Alright guys, welcome back to this video. And in this video, we are going to look at methods that can be performed on lists. And just to remind you for a short while, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe, leave a comment. I really appreciate it. Now, we want to look at methods on lists. A method is the same thing as a function, and we are going to look at functions in our subsequent videos, very few from now. But except that it is called on a value. For example, the method is called on a value. So each data type has its own set of methods. We looked at strings, we've looked at the list now. And we have seen certain methods. We're using some actually. So the list data type, for example, has several useful methods. One of them for finding items within a list, adding items into a list, removing from a list, and doing some other manipulations. So if we begin with removing things from a list, if we call our main file here, I assume now at this level you know how to create a file using VS Code in a given folder. And we have names here, and I'll create a list of names. Robert. I'll create another name, Bishi. Another name, Vama. Claudio. Annalisa. Maybe lastly, we can have a name, Isham or Icham. Okay. We want to demonstrate some of the methods on lists. For example, we will begin with the index method. And what does the index method do? It well, let's see what it does. Why should I talk? So print names dot index. We want to find the index, literally. I've said what it does. Anyway, we want to find the index maybe of Annalisa within our list. And if we print that, we are seeing that Annalisa is found at index 4. Maybe Claudio, we know that Claudio will be at index 3. Okay, so that's the index method on the list. We have other methods like append and insert. And append will append an item at the end of the list. For example, names dot append. We want to append the name here, Zulf. Okay. Okay. Names, we can append another name. Names dot append. Maybe Mayo. I don't know why I'm doing that. So we can print the list again and see if our names have been appended. I've said that append puts items to the end of the list and returns a new list. As we can see, we have Zulf and Mayo appended to our list. Okay, what about insert? We could have this list, pets, and we have a cat, we have a dog, we have I don't know whether a bat is a pet, maybe for some people, rat, and maybe elephant. Someone keeps an elephant as a pet. Hope the wildlife people would be mad on you. So we are saying that pets dot insert. We want to insert another animal or a pet. And what would this be? It could be chicken. Yeah, some people's pet. So we want to see print pets. Now, something is happening here. We are inserting a value here, an integer 1, and the item we want to insert. Yes, because inserts a value into the list at a particular index. So this is an index value, and this is the value the item that you want to insert at index 1. So where dog is, we expect there chicken, because the dog is at index 1. And when you run this, you can see chickenit. I didn't know that I wrote chickenit, but you get the point. So that's insert for us. And these are handy methods that you really very hard to run away from. Maybe the last method we can talk about is remove. And we can say pets dot remove. What do we want to remove? Remove takes the item itself, and it will find it within the list. So remove, we want to remove the bat maybe. So if we print pet again, or pets, okay, we can see that bat is not there. The last thing that I would talk about is sort, is the sort method. For example, we have a list of numbers, specifically integers, and we have 8, 9, maybe 22, maybe 1, maybe 0. Okay, and we want to sort it in ascending order. So how do we sort? We just call nums.sort. Simple. And if we print nums again, we have our list of numbers sorted. So that's all I had for you guys in this video. As usual, I'll ask you again to comment, like, and subscribe to the channel. It helps the channel to grow and pushes the video to more people that might find it beneficial. Bye bye. God bless.